This is Priyanka, and my biggest regret, I don't know how to use a dryer. I know how to use a dryer, but I don't know how to style my hair. It's messy, and I can't do anything about it. And I hate it this way.
Anyway, मैंने ये वीडियो और एक बार बनाया था बट
Hi, this is Priyanka, and today I'm all pink, 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 pink. I thought of putting pink earring also, but ज़्यादा हो जाता. Sometimes I want to create content about God, faith, and the things we bow down to. And sometimes my mind wanders into spaces people will call it explicit, raw, unholy. And I think that's life, right? Messy, conflicted, human. Because whether you believe in God or not, you believe in something. Maybe you believe in love, maybe you believe in science, or in yourself. Maybe you believe in karma or in chaos. But somewhere deep inside, we bow down to something. And yet, we live in a society that loves to filter things. We filter our words, we filter our thoughts, we filter ourselves, even we filter our emotions. Not because we want to lie, but because we want to survive, we want to fit in, we want to avoid the raised eyebrows, the whisper, "Oh my god, did you hear what they said?" Because in this world, truth always isn't welcome. Life isn't black or white, it's shades of grey. Sometimes soft, comforting like rainy day, and sometimes it's harsh, cold grey like concrete walls. And when people refuse to accept the greyness, that's when the extreme happens. One side, the perfect saint image, and on the other, the dark web, the hidden sins, the corners of society that no one talks about. In between those extremes, the reality we live in. A reality where corruption walks in daylight, where politicians shake hands with one person and stab another in back, where inequality isn't an accident, it's designed. We are told, be good. Vision of good keeps changing depending on who is holding the dictionary. In one culture, covering your head is respect, and in other, it's oppression. In one place, speaking your mind is bravery, in other, it's rebellion. And I wonder, if everything is subjective, then who gets to decide what's holy and what's unholy? Maybe that's why I feel creating both the divine and the daring, because both live inside me, both live inside us. We worship with folded hands in morning and chase our desires in night. We talk about morals, then break a few when it suits us. We pretend we are pure, but truth, we are beautifully flawed. So maybe it's okay that my heart sometimes prays God and sometimes flirts with chaos. Because in the end, life isn't about choosing black or white, it's about learning to live in the infinite shades of grey without losing yourself. If anyone likes this kind of content, the talks which no one talks, the topic which no one talks, they can follow me and over Insta and Pinterest and do subscribe. Bye bye.